Hey everyone, happy Friday. I usually do not go live, so this is new for me. I recently joined Successful Solution Method, and let me tell you, it has been amazing. My engagement has gone up online and is definitely letting me step out of my comfort zone. So, I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about my experience and also just how life has changed because of COVID. It has allowed me to invest in myself, and also it has given me the opportunity to really look into different things that are going on in the world. So, whether it's network marketing, expand my business, or just in general, spend more time with my children and my family, it has been amazing. Despite the pandemic going on, it's opened my eyes to different things and it's caused me to slow down. So with Successful Solution Method, what it has done is it gives you tasks that you need to complete almost every day, and it helps with increasing engagement, marketing online. So for you entrepreneurs out there that are looking to uh, enhance your business or just to increase your views, period, it's definitely the way to go. I'll post a link down below, but you will be seeing more tips and also videos regarding what I have going on. And my website is michellesworkspace.com, and so you can definitely check it out there. Thank you.